Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Backbone app. First, you will need to include 3 essential JavaScript libraries in your HTML file. These are jQuery, JS, and Backbone, JS itself. jQuery handles DOM manipulation, provides utility functions, and Backbone builds upon these to offer a structured approach for your single-page applications. Ensure they are loaded in the correct order for proper initialization. Next, we define our application's data structure using Backbone models and collections. A model represents a single piece of data, like a user or a product, and can have default values and custom methods. Collections, on the other hand, are ordered groups of these models. For example, a user's collection would contain multiple user models. This separation helps organize your data logic effectively. Now, let's talk about views, which are crucial for displaying your application's data. A Backbone view doesn't contain the HTML itself, but rather dictates how a specific part of your application's data, often from a model, should be rendered. You'll typically use a templating engine, such as _'s built-in templating, to create dynamic HTML. Views listen for model changes and re-render to keep the UI updated. Finally, we integrate routers to manage navigation and application state. A Backbone router maps URL fragments to specific actions or functions, allowing for bookmarkable URLs and a single-page application experience. You'll define routes that trigger different parts of your application. To bring everything together, initialize your main application view and then start Backbone. History, which monitors URL changes and dispatches routes accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.